Giving his keynote address at the Abbotsford Christian Centre, Minister of Health Aaron Motsoaledi acknowledged the sad reality of money dictating the quality of healthcare patients receive. He said, though the World Health Organization has introduced universal health coverage, which advocates for everyone's right to receive good quality healthcare, it still, however, excludes the masses who suffer financial hardships. DENOSA national spokesperson Sibongiseni Delihlazo said, though this is a day of celebration for nurses worldwide, they cannot remain silent about the issues faced by nurses in health facilities in the country.
We're urging the government, please retain the few that you still have, because at the moment we've got huge challenge in the education sector. We're not able to produce nowhere near where we should be producing the new nursing cadres.
Okay.
World Health Organization, for instance, in 2020 recommended that every country must increase its output of nurses from universities and colleges at least by 8 to 12% each year until 2030 to avoid catastrophic levels of shortage.
Yeah. Health Minister Aaron Motsoaledi reassured the public that, despite the few cases of hantavirus in the country, nurses remain vigilant and well-trained to handle any potential threats.
Care centers are always ready. Mr. Khumalo has already told you. They are always ready. They are trained. These are not people who just take. You see, when they wear these things, they show training. They are trained. They know that when I get a patient who has got an infection, this is what I do. So that's not the problem. Now, the people who have been identified, I am saying we are observing them. And they are being phoned every day to find if each one of them is developing symptoms. I've already told you one in the Western Cape developed the symptoms, was admitted immediately, and the tests were done. Up to so far, they are negative. But we told you all of them, including that one, we're observing them for the next 6 weeks, which is the incubation period. It may even go up to 8 weeks because the incubation period is anything between 1 and 6 weeks. So we don't go to hospitals and say, hey, be on a high alert and all that. They are always on high alert.
Buffalo City Mayor Princess Faku, who was also in attendance, acknowledged overcrowding and long waiting hours experienced by patients in BCM health facilities and cited infrastructural developments are underway in the metro.
Currently now the challenge that we know it's in Potsdam. The councillor has informed me in Ward 22. It's the area that I'm telling you. Of course, in Ward 46 also there's a clinic which the department and public works have identified a piece of land because there's no clinic there. So we had to engage with AXA as well, the airport, because the clinic, the area which the clinic will be built would also affect the airport. So there's those engagement. Our government is trying. It is not easy.
According to DENOSA national spokesperson Sibongiseni Delihlazo, more International Nurses' Day celebrations are expected to take place throughout the month of May in different branches across the country. For MPK TV News, I'm Nandipha Mestile in Kukompo.